how's it going, everyone? Let me get a hive tool. Alright. So what we are doing is we're going to be transferring this over here to our observation hive. We have a birthday party for tomorrow. Well, I guess it'd be today when you guys see it, and we're gonna load the observation hive up. It is chilly, but I figured since some of our northern beekeepers can't get into their hives and see them, we'll bring you along right quick. And so this is a brand new observation hive. We have another one. This one's so new we haven't even got painted yet. My board, it is on there. Okay, there we go. So what we're gonna do is, if we find the queen, we're gonna put her in the top part. We're gonna try to transfer most of them over here, and then what we'll do is we'll take this hive and then we'll transfer them back here tomorrow after the party. Put them back in their original hive, but I kind of like to keep the hive all together if I can, so we'll just switch places with these when we're loading them up. I'm doing an inspection right quick. Full of honey, heavy hive. It's great. Ah, I see the problem. They're bent. Man, that thing is so hard to open up. Sucks being bent for a brand new observation hive. These frames are just loaded with food. It's great. I mean, this is a heavy hive. They haven't hardly ate anything. They've been snacking on the little sugar cake, but they have so much food up here. It's great. It's really cool with these Apame hives. They just don't burn a lot of food. I ain't completely full. On that one, let's see if she's on this one. They'll finish drawing this up in the spring. It's always nice to put the queen in the top of them. You know, the people want to see them. Oh, there she is. Let's see if you guys can see this. I don't know. Like I said, the sun's pretty low. She's not marked. She's right there though. She's small, so she is not. She's not laying a whole lot yet. But that is good. So we got her, so we know she's a dark one, so we can tell them what to look for. Hopefully we can find her tomorrow. And then we, let's see here if you guys can see this. So let me move this hive out. This one. All right, so this is an observation hive. windows out, and you can view it inside. It has a queen excluder right there, right there, so you can stick the queen in the top one, leave the colony in this bottom nuke, and that way the people can observe the queen and test their luck at finding them and stuff like that. So we set this one right here. This one came from Man Lake. Our other one was a date ant one. We like them both. Very good hives, observation hives. We've enjoyed them. Our old one, and it's still in use. But we do a lot of these that we kind of needed another one. It's really cool, and it's really cool to be doing birthday parties. That's really awesome. Let me get a frame right quick to sit in here. Alright, so it's a medium frame, but that way we can, I like to have it where they're just not all swinging around and everything. So then we put this on here. Try not to squish any bees and lock them up. So our queen's up top, can't get down. And then we'll put this right here. So here's her colony, the rest of them, and then we just put this back on top of here. And that's how it works. Now you can travel with this. You're gonna have to bend this side out because it came bent, but that's all right. Nothing we can't fix. And we'll go in here and we'll stain this and we'll put our brand on it. But wanted to take the new one and test it out. So the door for them, we'll open it up. We'll face it back this way, put it right here, and all these bees will go back into there. In and out, and tomorrow is going to be a little bit nicer than today. And we will transfer them back in there after the party. So that'll be nice. On the bottom, it has a screen bottom board. There's the corrugated insert that's under there. You can take that out. What I like to do is I like to lift them up and let the kids and the parents and everything listen to the hive from underneath. And so I like it with the screen bottom board. So that's really cool. They get a kick out of that. Alrighty, well, I just wanted to show you that. My northern beekeepers that can't get into their hives, maybe that got you a little bit, you know, like the little edge off of you a little bit, you know. Give you guys some time. You still got a long ways, and there's a good deal of winter left, but you know, it was a decent day. It's not windy or anything. The sun's shining. It's late in the evening though. All these foragers will come home, get in here, and we will lock them up when it turns dark, put them inside our house, and they'll be good to go tomorrow for the party. So I'll bee up my jacket. Ooh. All right. Yeah, she got me right there on the side. Oh. All right. Well, got my bee vitamin for today. That's great. All right. Well, you guys have a good one. We'll catch you on the next one. See ya. Perfect. Alright.